Hey everyone, this is Rosemarie from the Unfinished Lesson. Today we're looking at organizing your iPad, moving apps, and creating folders. When you have a lot of apps on your iPad, being able to put them in folders really helps. Select an app by holding it, and when it wiggles, move it on top of another one. This automatically creates a folder. If you click on the folder, while everything's still wiggling, you can easily change the name of the folder to whatever it is that you'd like. But what if you had lots of apps to move? We used to have to hold down an app till it wiggled, move it to the folder that we wanted, and do this for every single app. This took up a lot of time if you were downloading multiple apps, but things have gotten much easier. Now, if you hold down on an app until it wiggles, move it, and then while still holding it, tap on other apps, it will actually add them all into a bit of a semi-folder. So in this case, I have 9 apps that I can then, while still holding down, move to a different screen and even add to a folder that I've already created. And at this point, I can easily change the name of that folder as well. Thanks for watching. What how-to video would you like to see next? For other great ideas, be sure to visit www.theunfinishedlesson.com. Have a great day.